Good morning, everybody. The time is now 5:40 in the morning because I have to go to work at 6, and I wanted to show you guys the new deals for Savings Star. It is a new month, so usually for a new month they have new deals. A lot of them are repeaters, but hey, you guys want to add them before they go away. So here there's King Arthur products. I don't know exactly what that is. I've never heard of it, so I'm not going to add those. But we got Annie's Snacks. I'm going to add that. We got General Mills cereal, $1 off of 2. Canadian Farm, Chex Mix, Bugles. I sometimes get that stuff. And then Food Should Taste Good, Liberty, Nature Valley, which I get every once in a while. Then we got El Paso, and then we get the wheat. I always try to get at least one yogurt for my husband. You got $1 off of 3, Pillsbury, and then Tostinos. I just add this stuff so I have it, and usually this stuff repeats itself. Here we got $3 off of Centrum, Cup of Noodles, Cafe Goya. Sorry, it's hard to read. And then the Glade ones, I'm not adding my Glade ones until the very end if I do buy them, because there's a deal on Checkout 51, so I'm trying to see it if I can do both at the same time. Otherwise, if I click it, then Checkout 51 says that I can't. So there's that. Here we got Mott's and Gushers, People Magazine, more Glades. I don't know why there's a line showing up on my screen. I've done this many times, but there's just that. So those are the new deals for the month. Mine's not scooting down. So definitely check your guys' out and add them to whatever you guys need. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.